I think the company told me to go work in the caves to get some gems. I do not have a lot. For the company and for myself. I brought a sword just in case I can. Just in case a monster comes in the back. Dang it, I forgot to bring them back. Whatever. The company won't figure out. Anyways, like it matters. Huh, weird. Let's jump down. Hey, look, there's a crystal right there. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Dang it. Still not enough. Yes, I got a crystal. Yes. Let's go. Oh my god, there's so much over here. Oh my god, yes, I got so much and I can, oh frick. Yes, let's go. I got another crystal. Let's go. Mine some more. That's mine. Frick. Let's just mine this one and get out. Yes, let's go. Let me mine this. Okay, let's head back now. Just so I can hang out with my friend and cook some dinner. Let's go.